As we all know, earlier this week, Ron DeSantis did some very heavy pandering to the far-right anti-vax morons in the state of Florida by announcing he wanted a grand jury investigation into the drug companies that made the COVID-19 vaccines, as well as his creation of a new medical board that's basically going to say the CDC, the FDA, and the NIH are idiots. But he wasn't done with his pandering this week, because as we all know, the dude definitely wants to run for president. He's currently the front runner. So there's nothing holding him back, but he's got to do more pandering first. So on Thursday of this week, Ron DeSantis announced that in the upcoming legislative session of the solidly red Republican Florida legislature, which doesn't begin till March, thank God, but he said he backs essentially a heartbeat bill, which would ban any and all abortions after about 6 weeks here in the state of Florida. So he's pandering to the people who don't believe that women should have control over their health care. And of course, this does put women's lives in danger because sometimes, yes, abortion is a medical procedure performed to save the life of a mother. So more restrictions on women's health. But fewer restrictions, he said, on owning a gun. Because he also said in this same press conference, whatever you want to call it, that he backs a constitutional carry law for the state of Florida, which means you don't have to have a permit to carry a gun. You can walk around anywhere you want in the state of Florida if they pass this, which, again, Republican legislature, Republican governor, they're going to pass these things. And in the state of Florida, it means you're not going to be able to get an abortion, but by God, you're going to be able to get a gun. You can carry it anywhere and you don't have to tell anybody you have it. So we're making this state just straight up more dangerous. More dangerous for women. Actually, doubly more dangerous for women because they would still face the same risk of gun violence as the rest of us, which will also increase. But they also have the added stress of knowing that their healthcare choices are now limited. That if their pregnancy is putting their life in danger, oh well, can't do anything about it, but hey, if you want to get that baby a gun for its, first birthday, you may want to go ahead and do that because you may not be around for it. We are headed in just such an ass backwards direction down here in the state of Florida, 100% because of Ron DeSantis' future political ambitions. He's killing us. He was killing us during COVID. He's going to kill women with this legislation that he is calling for. He's going to kill everybody else, not everybody else, but everybody else's, risk increases if we move to this constitutional carry thing. And he's only doing it to pander to the far right. Fewer health options for women, but more guns for everybody. That's the mantra of the state of Florida now. Should be noted as well, though, that some Republicans are warning him like, hey, listen, if we turn Florida into a place where women have no rights and everybody's carrying a gun, keep in mind that's really going to hurt tourism in the state, which is our number one industry, number one employer. So you could be dooming us economically, just like you've done for the last 4 years, because you've been terrible. But, I guess if you want to pander away. Don't offer any real solutions to any real problems. Just make it harder for women to make their own choices, but easier for idiots to get their hands on a gun. Ring of Fire has fresh content 7 days a week, so if you want to be reminded about it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell to be notified every time a new video goes up.